Let's draw a cute little elephant. First, draw the elephant's round head. Blue. Wow! Now add a mouth. Red. And a pair of giant ears. One ear. Pink. Violet. And then the other. Pink. Violet. Now give the elephant a long trunk. Amazing! Follow the big oval. This will be your elephant's body. Blue. Add a pair of strong legs to the oval. Violet. Then add another pair of legs. Beautiful! All you have to do now is give the elephant a funny tail with a little tuft of hair at the end. Fantastic! Good job! You've drawn a wonderful elephant. He can dance so well.